Subtract 1 over 2 minus 1/3. When subtracting fractions, you need to make sure that the denominators are the same. Well, they're not. So what I have to do is come up with a least common denominator. The numbers are not that bad, where I know that the least common denominator is going to be 6. So now I have to make both fractions have the denominator 6. How can I make this denominator of 2 6? Multiply it by 3. But whatever we do to the bottom number, we have to do to the top number as well. Now let's go over here and repeat the process. How do I make this denominator of 3 6? Multiply it by 2. But whatever we do to the bottom number, we have to do to the top number as well. Now we rewrite these fractions. 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. Minus sign. 1 times 2 is 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. Now we can subtract these fractions because the denominator is the same. So subtract the numerators, 3 minus 2, that gives me 1. And whenever you're subtracting fractions where the denominators are the same, keep the denominator the way it is. 1 over 6, nothing simplifies, we're done.